We do begin tonight with breaking news. Major Hurricane Melissa is gaining strength and posing a catastrophic threat to Jamaica and other parts of the Caribbean. This satellite image shows the eye of Melissa as it intensified to Category 4 hurricane. The storm has already claimed at least 3 lives in Haiti, flooding streets and destroying homes. It also left a trail of destruction across the Dominican Republic. Jamaica is now preparing for the worst hurricane in decades, with as much as 40 inches of rain and potentially life-threatening flooding. People scrambled to leave the island ahead of the powerful hurricane. All of the airports there are now closed. Our weather team is tracking it all. But first, ABC's Ika Jachi leads us off from Kingston, Jamaica.
Tonight, Jamaica facing catastrophic and life-threatening flooding as Major Hurricane Melissa comes in, with potentially devastating winds and storm surge to follow. Residents stocking up on food and gas. In this community, a woman urging residents to leave right away.
You're asked to evacuate now!
These rocks were brought in from another part of Jamaica to stop the Caribbean Sea from blocking out the only road that leads to the airport. Now, the concern is now, as Melissa rolls its way in, these waves will get too tall for these rocks washing out that only road.
Melissa already claiming multiple lives, including at least 3 in Haiti, flooding streets and destroying homes. This woman saying the sea took our house. We have no place to stay. In the Dominican Republic, rain causing landslides, floodwaters cutting off communities, water supply systems for more than 500,000 impacted too. In South Florida, volunteers in Doral preparing aid boxes containing food and other basic necessities to help the families impacted across the Caribbean.
The impact is going to be so difficult with persons having to be without the necessary essential items. These families' necessity kits will at least help them get through a few days.
Jamaica now bracing for a direct hit from what's expected to be the strongest hurricane on record to make landfall here.
Lindsay, conditions here are expected to continue deteriorating throughout the night with hurricane-force winds expected by tomorrow. Lindsay?
All right, stay safe. I thank you. Let's get right to meteorologist Danny Beckstrom from our New York station WABC. Hi, Danny. It looks like Hurricane Melissa is still gaining strength.
Lindsay, Melissa is now a major Category 4 hurricane packing max sustained wind of 145 miles per hour. Warm water and weak wind shear mean Melissa could get stronger as we wait for the northern turn on Monday afternoon. Melissa taking aim at Jamaica's southwest coast for a landfall by early Tuesday, which puts the majority of the island in the northeast quadrant of the storm. That's known for packing the worst wind and most significant surge, in this case, 9 to 13 feet above ground level. Melissa then heads toward eastern Cuba Tuesday night with a second landfall forecast still as a major hurricane. Hurricane warnings in effect for Jamaica and now in eastern Cuba as well, with hurricane conditions